Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to launch or open Adobe Acrobat on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to uninstall recently installed Windows 11 update. So if you think after installing update on Windows 11 you are facing this problem, then in that case you can open Windows settings and then go to Windows update and then go to update history and scroll down. Over here you can see uninstall updates option, so click on it, and whichever is the latest update which you think is causing the problem, you can uninstall the latest update installed on your computer. So click on uninstall and then click on uninstall. Now after the uninstall, once the uninstall is complete, restart your computer and then you can try to open Adobe Reader and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to now after you uninstall any update, after you uninstall the recent update, then when you restart your computer, now after the system restart you can pause the update. So go to Windows update once again and then you can maybe pause the update for 1 week or 2 weeks, and once you pause the update, that update will not install automatically, and that should fix the problem. In future, whenever you want to resume the updates, you can always click on resume updates to get the feature update. Now still not working. The next step is to run Adobe Reader as an administrator. So you can type in Adobe Acrobat in Windows search box and then make a right click on Adobe Acrobat and then you can click on run as administrator. Click on it and then check. Still not working. The next step is to try compatibility mode. Now for this you can type in Adobe Acrobat and then you can make a right click on Adobe Acrobat and then click on open file location, and over here you can see the exe file. Make a right click on it and then go to properties and then go to this tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program over here and select Windows 8, hit apply, click on OK, and then you can launch and then check. Still not working. This time you can even select Windows 7 over here and then hit apply, click on OK, and then try to launch it and then check. Still not working. The next step is to, now if you have installed the Adobe Reader from Adobe website, then try to install it from Microsoft Store. So you can uninstall the current one. So you can just make a right click and then you can click on uninstall. Now again over here you can search and then you can uninstall it from here. So over here you can see it. So you can make a click on three dots and then click on uninstall, and then once it is uninstalled, then you can go to Microsoft Store and then you can search for Adobe Acrobat Reader and then you can click on install option. In my case it is already installed, so install it from here. Now if you have already installed from Microsoft Store and you are facing the problem, in that case you can go to, you can just search for and then you can download the free PDF. You can download the reader from here. So download from Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can download it from Adobe website and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to open Adobe Reader successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.